This is Great Chefs of France, featuring some of the country's top artisans from Rouen to Lyon, from Paris to Cannes. Welcome to a culinary tour of some of the world's preeminent dining destinations. This time from Vienna, Patrick Honorou. From Juan Lapin, Christian Morisset. And from Paris, Laurent Janat.
The Hotel Juana in Cannes was built in 1930, in less than 7 months. Those were the days. It must have taken that long for Chef Christian Morisset to grow this mustache. His domain at the hotel is La Terrasse Restaurant, and from there he presents duck with peaches and rhubarb. In this recipe, the duck breast and leg are cooked with different methods, particularly in terms of time. If attempting this recipe, the leg and thigh portion should be started the day before. It requires 6 to 7 hours of cooking. The breast is removed and the bone left in. The cartilage near the breastbone is split. With the leg and thigh section, the thigh bone is removed and wrapped around the leg and sewed with cooking twine. The final product essentially looks like an enlarged drumstick.
Aiguille à brider la ficelle, on coud, on fait rôtir la cuisse dans un sautoir.
For this demonstration, the breast and leg section are more or less started together. Remember, there is a 6 to 7 hour difference between the cooking time. The duck breast is seasoned and will be browned in peanut oil. The breast goes in skin side down.
Mets le caneton côté peau.
The chef explains again the prep on the duck leg.
Sorti du canard avec l'os. On a prélevé l'os et avec une aiguille à brider, on a attaché avec une ficelle.
It too is browned on top of the stove.
Donc là on a vous voyez la poitrine de caneton qui commence à être bien rôtie.
The duck breast has taken on some color and is turned.
On laisse 1-2 minutes sur la plaque et ensuite on va finir la cuisson dans un four. Donc à côté vous avez la cuisse qui est en train de rôtir.
The same is true of the thigh section. The duck breast goes into a 500-degree oven for 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, the leg-thigh section is put into another pan and heavily reduced duck stock is added. Then it is covered tightly with foil and put in a very low oven for 6 to 7 hours.
On a déjà notre fond de canard qui est déjà prêt à l'avance. Hein? Donc on met un peu de fond de canard. On met un papier aluminium.
The breast section is out of the oven and is set on a draining rack in order to draw out some of the blood. Foil is put over the breast.
Du sang qui s'écoule. Et donc là, on garde la viande, on fait reposer la viande. Si par exemple, je veux couper ma viande ou serrer ma viande de suite, ça va pas être bon parce que dès que je vais donner un coup de couteau, le sang il va couler de tous les côtés. Donc ça s'appelle faire tirer une viande. Donc là, on réserve sur le côté.
The chef has a completed confit of leg and thigh. He is testing for the tenderness. Then he puts it in another pan, bastes with more reduced duck stock, and warms it in the oven.
Ça, on peut directement mettre au four.
The breast section is boned.
Donc on partage en deux. On retourne. Avec le couteau, on dégage l'os. On ne serre pas l'aileron, on ne serre uniquement que la poitrine. Là, j'ai mon beurre qui est chaud, donc je mets les pêches dans une poêle. Dans l'autre poêle, je mets la rhubarbe.
Meanwhile, sections of a peeled peach and sticks of peeled rhubarb are sautéed in butter.
On fait juste un petit peu colorer de chaque côté. Et ensuite, on met quelques minutes au four.
They'll be browned slightly on top of the stove and finished in the oven. The chef turns his attention back to the breast. The small part of the filet, often called the supreme, will be presented on the final plate. Now the peach and rhubarb go into the oven.
Au four avec la rhubarbe. On les pêche, elles sont les pêches. Là, on a la confiture de groseille qui est réduite.
This is melted gooseberry jelly, a terrifically expensive item in France. Legend has it that there is one little old lady in one little French town who does nothing but remove gooseberry seeds with a feather. Here it's combined with reduced duck stock.
Qui est chaude.
The confit leg and thigh are coated with this combination.
À laquer dans le fond de réduction, mélange gelée de groseille et gelée de canard. Vous voyez que la cuisse est
The confit is rolled in fresh peppercorns before presentation.
dans le poivre, on la retourne.
The fruits are placed on the plate first.
Thon, on la place sur la rhubarbe et les pêches. Et là on présente le canneton avec le petit filet mignon.
Duck sauce spiked with peach vinegar finishes the dish.
Un cordon de jus autour de l'assiette. On arrose un petit peu les pêches et la rhubarbe.